You guys, look what just came. Finally, I ordered this 2 months ago. The BTS Proof album in all of its glory came finally after so long. It was supposed to be delivered next week on Monday, and it came today. I don't know how, but it just did. And I'm so happy. I am going to do a little unboxing for you guys. Okay guys, the long anticipated package is here from 𝒯𝒃𝓃𝓀. I'm so excited and so happy that it finally came, and we are going to finally open up this baby. So the reason why the box is so big is because I also got something from their BT21 line, and I'm really excited for this. I have been wanting to expand my BT21 merch, and so far I only have one thing from that line, and it's a mirror. If you guys follow me on Instagram or TikTok, you may have seen it already, but yeah, so this will be my second item from that line. So let's open this together. The album. Oh my gosh, so excited. Okay, first things first, I got the 𝒃𝓃𝓃𝓀, the cookie 𝒃𝓃𝓃𝓃. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my gosh, it's even better looking in person. But yeah, here's all the other ones that you can get. So I have Cookie, of course, which is Jungkook's character, Cookie. I think the next one I want to get is Tata, because V is my other bias. He's my bias wrecker. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. I can't believe I have this. This thing was not cheap, but that's okay. None of this was cheap. Look how cute it is. Here's the back and the bottom. Not that there's anything there. It came with 3 AAA batteries, and I'm assuming this is to plug it in. Do you have to use? I don't know if you have to use. And now the things that we have been waiting for the most for this entire time. We have the albums. So here we are. This is the smaller version. Oh my gosh, this thing is heavy. The big baby right here. Oh my gosh. This thing is huge. Look how big that is. Oh, you can see the reflection. Oh my gosh, so cool. Okay, there's a few other things in here. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I got like basically everything that you could have gotten with this new album. So I even got like the Weverse shop extra gift thingies. So here's this. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. I think this is randomized, so I don't even know who I got. Okay, who do you guys think I'm gonna get? Who I'm gonna pull? 1, 2, 3. I got Jin! Oh, he's so cute. I love it. And then it comes with, oh, is this like a, it's like a, oh yeah, I think this is a stand. Let's use this. Okay, after a long, huge thingy to get this figured out, I have Jin right there. There we go. Cute, cute, cute. I'm so happy about that. Oh my gosh. I think these are like the free gifts. Oh my gosh. I'm so shocked right now. Okay, so they have a new game, you know. Wow. I got 2 J-Hope and Suga. I love. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I got 2 of these. What the heck? I think this was also a part of the Weaver shop. I got, oh my gosh. So cute. I love that I'm getting like basically all different members. Like I've gotten Jin, I've gotten Suga, J-Hope, and now I got RM. Ooh, this is cool. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. I didn't know it detached from that part, but look at that, you guys. RM, he's so cute. It's a poster. Oh my gosh, it is. Oh my gosh, it's a poster. Oh my gosh. Look at this. I already ripped it. Just a little bit though. I didn't rip anybody's face though. Okay, that's not my fault. This thing is literally massive and it's like basically straight up paper. It's not like normal poster paper. Here it is, you guys. So we take off this. Whoa. Okay. The card just fell out, but I did not see who I got. Thank goodness. And we're just gonna look at. Oh! Oh my gosh. I got Jin again. For this big photo card thingy. Cute. Oh yes, and then we have this, which I've seen everywhere. It just basically goes, it's like all their albums. It's so nice. And then right here, really pretty. I love this pamphlet. I'll take a deeper look into it later on. It's another poster. Oh, this one's cute. I love these concept pics of them, even the individual ones, but this is all of them. And of course we have the booklet with all the songs, lyrics. Pretty, really nice. Ooh. Oh my goodness, look at them. They look so good. Be still my heart. Here's my bias. My very first bias when I first, here's my bias tracker. My very first bias when I got into BTS, when I discovered them back in 2015, was Jimin, because he just has the prettiest face ever, and his lips, I am a sucker for guys with big lips. He just has these big luscious lips. Jin has really big lips too. Look at that. Maybe that's why I keep getting his picture. But yeah, I'm a huge sucker for, oh wow, for guys with big lips. My husband has big lips, thank the Lord. So if we ever have kids one day, I hope they get his lips, because mine are mediocre. They're pretty normal sized, and they only look big when I smile. And this, here's the CD. Ooh, look how this opens up. Wow, look at that. That is so nice. 1, 2, 3. J-Hope! I got Hobie. Oh, so cute. I love him. This is perfect, you know, especially since he's the first one to release a solo album, like, you know, recently. Oh my gosh, that is so nice. So I pulled Jin and Hobi, cuties, and I'm so excited for Hobi because he's performing at Lollapalooza at the end of this month. I just remembered that I didn't turn on my ring light because I was using the natural light from the window. But this would have been way better for the first part of this with all the other things, but that's okay. Here's the big one. This is the biggest thing I've ever held, but it comes with this plastic covering. Oh wow, it says proof on it and on the back. Excuse me. So here it is. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. We are bulletproof. The CDs, I'm pretty sure. Ooh. Yeah. All the CDs. That is so nice. Very, very nice. Okay, so there's that. Okay, then we have, okay, so the big one is the standard edition, and then the small one is the compact edition. Okay, so I'm assuming in here is the photo cards. Let's go ahead and pull those. 1, 2, 3. I got Hobi again. Oh my gosh, I love. So cute. Love this. This is so cute. Okay. I don't know if that's supposed to look like that, but oh wow. Wow. So we have Jimin. Oh, we got Daddy V. We got RM. We got Daddy JK. 𝒯𝒽𝒾𝓃𝑔, cute Jin, Hobi, and Jimin again. Wow. So I'm assuming this is like the photo card of this whole album. Wow. So I got Jimin. But I'm really thankful I got all these other ones. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. So nice. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at him. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They all look so fine. Look so good. Okay, I'm very happy about this. Very, very happy. So, in the standard album, it also came with 4 booklets. So this first one right here is, I would say, the main one, and it just has, oh my gosh, it's amazing. It literally has pictures of them throughout the years. Like, oh my gosh, I'm so obsessed. I love this. This one comes with all the lyrics and the song credits and everything, so pretty cool. This one, the white one, the other white one, says here at the beginning, it says epilogue. So it's basically like just, well, it just shows like behind the scenes of pictures and things of them for putting together the photo shoot for the concept for this entire album. So this is nice. And then the last one is basically just pictures of all the pictures they took for the concept. So here they are, or some of them, I mean. Oh, looks so good. Jin, all of them. Yeah, I am so impressed with this entire album. I love the box. It's so nice, so spacious. I love this right here. I love everything that I got. Like seriously, I got so many great pulls. These cute little in the seam photo cards are so adorable. Like I am so in love with literally everything. This poster, like everything is just amazing. Super nice. Like wow, I couldn't have asked for a better gift to myself. Of course, the last thing, this cookie clock. I love every single thing and I'm so thankful. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video of me unboxing both albums. I'm so happy and I can't wait to collect all the other albums because like I said, this is only my second one, even though I've been a fan for a very long time. But yeah, I hope you guys have an amazing weekend and stay safe like I always say. Love y'all.